ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000-bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
Welcome to the 6th edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. And we are in the regional qualifiers. We are on the 6th day of the ASHANTI regional qualifiers. And this is the 3rd contest. The quiz is organized by QUAINOO University of Science and Technology. And it is in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service and DEX Technology. We appreciate immensely our Vice Chancellor, Professor Rita Akosia-Dixon, for her unwavering and continuous support. Together with her management, we are also appreciative of the leadership of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, that's the chair, Professor Kwesi Prekum, and all board members. Our head teachers, our teachers, your dedication is immeasurable. We thank you. And we are so grateful to the students who have burnt midnight candles representing their school in this competition. So appreciative of all the efforts that has been put in. Junior Science and Maths Quiz would not have come your way, viewers, without the unflinching support of our sponsors. KNUST E-Learning Center for all your media video coverages. At KNUST E-Learning, we say just a click. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. We are so appreciative for your unwavering support, giving us venue for our quizzes. KNUST Ideal, lifelong learning is an essential key for development. University Information Technology Services, that's the UITS at KNUST. Thank you so much. We are deeply grateful for all your assistance, your help with regards to providing information and technology services. DEX Technologies, practical science is now practical. Thank you. The Ghana Standards Authority, thank you. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, heartfelt gratitude for your generous sponsorship. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, GNPC, impacting lives. Thank you. SteadyX, thank you. Pizza Man, Chicken Man. We say, great food lives here. Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. To our media partners, Kesben TV, for your telecasting of this wonderful quiz, we say thank you. You have helped amplify our impact throughout Ghana, throughout the world. So appreciative for partnering us. Kesben TV, we say Ubia Bedidi. That is, everyone will have a share. Junior Science and Maths Quiz is not just for entertainment, but edutainment, because it is tailor-made for junior and high school so that we are able to show the understanding of basic principles that underlie science. So we promote teamwork, we promote critical thinking, we promote practicals relating to what we learn as theory in our classroom, even at those early stages of the academic life. My dear contestants, from QUAINOO Memorial School, St. Anne's Anglican School, Good Shepherd RCJHS, you are warmly welcome. I would like you to introduce yourselves. So I'll mention your school, then you mention your names and the class you are. QUAINOO Memorial School is represented by
William Agbedoku, final year.
Yes, please. Next.
Emmanuel Kwejudia, final year.
Thank you. William Emmanuel, you are welcome. St. Anne's Anglican School.
Mohammed Faisal, final year.
AJ Blessing Puma, final year.
Mohammed and Blessing, you are warmly welcome. Good Shepherd RCJHS is represented by
Sora, Basic 8.
Yes. Millicent and Jeremy, you are warmly welcome. I would implore you to kindly speak into the microphone well so that we can all hear you. My name is Dr. Mrs. Sandra Bankokating from the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, KNUST. I am your quiz moderator for this contest. So, these are some general rules that we have to take note of. And we'll start off by listening to the buzzer of our respective schools. So let's start with QUAINOO Memorial School. Your buzzer, please. Excellent. St. Anne's Anglican School, your buzzer. Good. Good Shepherd, RCJHS, your buzzer. Wonderful. So, for your main question, you don't need to press the buzzer. When is your main question? Don't press the buzzer, you answer. If a school is answering its main question, the other two schools, please, you should wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until their time is up before you press your buzzer, please. I want to repeat this particular part. If a school is answering its main question, I implore all the schools, the other 2 schools, to wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until their time is up before they do press their buzzer. There will be 4 rounds in this context. We have the round 1. The round 1 is the fundamentals. The round 2, that's the fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, science, technology, challenge. And the last round, that is the round 4, of course not the least, is decoding the clues round, DTC. Round 1 will be your fundamentals. Round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, science and technology, challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Contestants, please, for each of the rounds, I would read the instruction at the beginning of each round. Are you ready? Oh, I see prayers being poured. God is with you all. And already you are winners, you are champions. Please, are you ready? I need you to breathe in, take a deep breath, breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Last one, breathe in, out. Excellent. Round 1, fundamentals. We are ready. So this round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. 1. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, 40 seconds for questions that do require calculations. Good. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other two schools to compete for by pressing the buzzer. Bonus questions are available to the other two schools to compete for by pressing the buzzer. You press the buzzer, you are called, you answer. If you fail to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question, your answer will be nullified, even if you are right. No points will be awarded you. On this note, I wish all my lovely contestants, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best. Question 1. There's a preamble to all schools. States the main function of the following parts of the eye. States the main function of the following parts of the eye. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. Iris.
Okay. So the iris controls the size of the pupil.
That is correct. That is correct. Thank you. Next question. St. Anne's Anglican School. St. Anne's. Retina.
It protects the eyes from lightning.
No.
Light rays.
You have a last chance. Bonus. Nana QUAINOO.
Okay. So the retina acts as a screen for the image to be formed.
No.
On it.
No. Yes, time up. So the answer is it contains photoreceptor cells so that it converts light into electrical signals. Eye lens, Good Shepherd RCJHS.
The eye lens focuses light on the retina. It refracts to focus light on the retina.
That is correct. That is correct. Question 2. There's a preamble to all schools. You have to give the chemical formula of the following compounds. Give the chemical formula of the following compounds. St. Anne's Anglican School. Ozone. Bonus. Nana QUAINOO.
O3.
That is correct. Thank you. It is O3. Good Shepherd RCJHS. Get the microphone. Please, are we good? Okay. So, Good Shepherd. Hydrogen peroxide.
H subscript 2, O subscript 2.
That is correct. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. ferrous sulfate.
Yeah. Fe subscript 2, open bracket, SO for close, SO for close bracket, subscript 3.
No. Yes.
F.
No, answer. You started before the timer.
FeSO4.
That is correct. Question 3. There's a preamble, and it is, you have to define the following in computer networking. Preamble to all schools. You have to define the following in computer networking. Good Shepherd RC, JHS. Good Shepherd, throughput. Throughput.
Throughput is the data inputted into the computer, which is correct.
No. Last chance. Bonus. Bonus. Oh, I should answer myself. Okay, is the actual rate at which data is successfully transmitted one point to another over a network. Good. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. Nana QUAINOO. Bandwidth.
Bandwidth is the amount of data inputted into the computer.
Come again.
Bandwidth is the amount of data used in a network.
Bonus. So I'm looking for keywords. Maximum amount of data, and is transmitted over network connection in a given amount of time. Thank you. St. Anne's Anglican School. St. Anne's. Data packet.
Is the total amount of data stored in the computer?
No. Bonus. Good Shepherd.
Packet is a unit of data in a network.
That is correct. That is correct. Good. Question 4. Question 4. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. When a force moves through a distance, the resulting quantity measured is in what SI units?
Joules.
That is correct. Excellent. You should be clapping for them. Please clap for your contestants. Thank you. St. Anne's Anglican School. What is the SI unit used to express the amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time?
Joules.
No.
Newton.
No. Bonus. Good Shepherd.
Coulomb.
Pardon? Repeat what you
Coulomb.
just said. That is wrong. Yes, Nana QUAINOO.
What?
That is correct. Nana QUAINOO is correct. I clap, my people. Clap for them. Thank you. Good Shepherd RC. What SI unit measures the time rate of flow of electric charges?
Ampere.
Ampere is right. Thank you. Question 5. Question 5. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. A train has a capacity of 40 passengers, 40 passengers. When full, the total fare collected is 1,200 Ghana cedis. How much would 25 passengers pay? Yes, answer.
750.
That is correct. Please, don't, if it's your question, don't press the buzzer. Thank you. St. Anne's, Anglican School. St. Anne's, a taxi charges a flat rate collecting 150 Ghana cedis for carrying 5 passengers. If only 3 passengers are in the taxi, how much will they pay together? It's not time up, so answer.
50.
That is wrong. Last chance.
450.
450. That is wrong. Good Shepherd, you are disqualified because I explicitly told you that when Nana QUAINOO Abotre, take your time. Good Shepherd, I mentioned that when it is a main question, you have to wait till after 2 attempts or they are timed out. So please, you are out of this question. Nana QUAINOO.
90 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. That is right. Good Shepherd, your question. A ferry in Takoradi can carry 30 passengers when full, collecting a total fare of 600 Ghana cedis. How much would 18 passengers pay?
360 Ghana cedis.
That is right. Thank you. Thank you. Question 6. Please. The following questions are statements. You have to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonus. Of course, you understand. If it's not true, it's false. If it's not false, it's true. So I can't pass it on. Unless a school refuses to answer, then it's passed on. Good Shepherd, your main question. The gas that protects us from UV radiation is the same gas humans breathe. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Excellent. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School or zone absorbs all types of UV radiation. True or false?
False.
That is right. Thank you. It's correct. St. Anne's Anglican School. Oxygen is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. Is it true or is false?
False.
That is right. That is right. Wow. Nana QUAINOO. Blood platelets are also known as corpuscles. True or false?
False.
That is right. St. Anne's Anglican School. The liquid portion of blood is known as thrombocytes. True or false?
True.
That is wrong. It's false. I'm sorry. Good Shepherd RCJHS. 45% of blood is made up of red blood cells only. True or false?
False.
That is correct. At the end of this exciting round, we would turn around and come back again for more fire. It was okay. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. As we enter the second round, we want to appreciate our sponsors again. KNUST Learning Center, IDL Institute of Distance Learning, UITS, University Information Technology Services, DEX Technologies, the Ghana Standards Authority, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, Steady X, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and of course to our media partners, Kesben TV. Thank you. Extremely appreciative of all your support. I know we are eager, after that exciting round, eager to know what happened. And you will know. After round one, Nana QUAINOO Memorial School, were you the one who topped? Or St. Anne's Anglican School, were you the one who topped? Or Good Shepherd RCJHS, were you the one who topped? Please, before I announce the results, I want my contestants to know that whatever your results are, you are pushing forward and you are giving of your best. It doesn't mean you're a champion yet. It doesn't mean you're a loser yet. It means you have to put in all that you have to put in. And I must say, I'm proud of you all. Good. At the end of round 1, St. Anne's Anglican School had 3 points. Can we clap for them? Good. Good Shepherd RCJHS, 19 points. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School, Nana QUAINOO, 20 points. Wonderful. Round 2. This is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. One question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. 4 points. My contestants, listen to me. 4 points. Good. One question will be read out, yes, and you compete to answer. When you are ready to respond, after a question is read, you have to press the buzzer. You will be called, you answer. Answer quickly, within 3 seconds. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining 2 schools get the opportunity to compete to answer. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. 1. My dear ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best. Question 1. Before that, can we kindly test our buzzers? Let's start off with Nana QUAINOO. Good. St. Anne's. Good Shepherd. Excellent. So I need all of us to be poised, ready for action. Good. Which cell organelle is involved in the storage of food and other? Good Shepherd.
Vacuole.
That is correct. Excellent. Next question. A well-tested explanation for a broad set of observations is called? A well-tested explanation for a broad set of observations is called? Good Shepherd?
Analysis.
No. The other schools? St. Anne's?
Fact.
No. Queen, you want to go for this? Stay away, go for it. Stay away, go for it. They stayed away. Okay, scientific theory. The full meaning of the acronym IDS in ICT. Nana QUAINOO?
Identification drive system.
No. Nobody? Oh, intrusion detection system. If n raised to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 50. Find n. Nana QUAINOO?
N is 7.
That is right. Thank you. Good. Convert to degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Good Shepherd.
35.6 degrees Celsius.
No. Sorry. Nana QUAINOO?
35.6 degrees Celsius.
No. Minus 16.66 or minus 16.7. Gmail is to Google as Outlook is to Good Shepherd.
Microsoft.
That is correct. Excellent. In a science experiment, you have 3 liquids, A, B, and C, each taking up 10 ml of space. Their masses are 10 gram, 13 gram, and 20 gram, respectively. If you place an object that has a density of 3 gram per centimeter. Good Shepherd.
So the rock or the object won't float in any of the liquids.
Okay.
It won't float.
Yeah, I'll give you that. Next one. The total number of goals scored each month by a football team are 3, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 4, 8, 7, and 6. What is the mode? Nana QUAINOO.
The mode is 4.
That is correct. Thank you. So on the 4 notes, we come to the end of the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Hello, welcome back to yet an exciting contest, the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, proudly brought to you from KNUST, the premier university in Ghana, in West Africa, in the world. At the end of round 2, what did we do? Or how did we fare in round 2? Good. St. Anne's Anglican School. St. Anne's, you had -1. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. Nana, you You had 6 points. The Good Shepherd, who takes care of his flock, you had 10 points. So at the end of round 2, the total score, oh, there's a lot of excitement in the building. At the end of round 2, the total score, St. Anne's, you have 2 points. Nana QUAINOO, you had 26 points. Good Shepherd, 29 points. GSMQ is the only quiz that you would get a hands-on section. The round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge round. Please, my dear contestants, I need your rapt attention. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round would require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed, the score. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by Deck Science 6. So before I begin reading, or before we start, let us allow for the substitution that is on board. So, for Nana QUAINOO, for St. Anne, we have Faisal going, being replaced by Emmanuel. Can we give him a round of applause as he comes and as he goes? Thank you so much, Emmanuel. Arthur, you fought well. It's time to observe. Good. So we go on to the preamble. So with the help of the laptop provided, you are to do a research on the internet by performing the following tasks. 1. You open Microsoft Edge web browser on the laptop given. Open a new tab and you search for top news in Ghana today. Show the search results and select a headline you find interesting. Open a new tab again and go to a popular educational website such as BBC Learning, National Geographic Hits. Bookmark the page so you can quickly access it later. Open 3 additional tabs. 1 for a news website, 1 for a search engine, and 1 for educational sites such as Wikipedia. If you are all ready and there are no challenges, start work. You have 2 minutes more. Time up, time up. Please stop work. Time up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we will be back. We'll be right back.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science set, if you are able to collaborate and help the school get the science set every term, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know, teaching and learning of science without practical is a waste of time.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the science set, if you are able to collaborate and help the school get the science set every term, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know, teaching and learning of science without practical is a waste of time.
technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is ensuring that this dream of the Western region comes true.
We as a school have embraced science education or STEM education, using the science set to do practicals. We have not been long in the use of the science set, but just a term. We realize that using the science set for practicals brings a lot of excitement. The child feels involved and the child learns while doing the practicals. We are of the view that if our parents are able to collaborate with us, or any other school that they are using the sunset, if you are able to collaborate and have the school, help the school get the sunset every time, I think that practicals can be held easily. It doesn't pay to teach science in abstract. Science is like mathematics. We don't read it. We get involved. We involve the learner and we involve the teacher. And you can only be involved if you are using the science set to do practicals. I think that almost every private school and public school will ought to understand that to successfully study science is meaningless unless it is linked up to the use of science sets. And that's why I think that we must embrace this idea.
Has been in existence for the past 22 years.
Wow,
yes,
that's old.
And we began using the science sets about 2 years ago.
Wow.
And it has been great, seriously, because you know, teaching and learning of science without practical it's a waste of time.
Technology. Neither Ghana nor Africa can afford to lag behind our nations. These were the words of Osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as he launched the atomic reactor in the 1960s, and these words are even more relevant today. It is in light of this that the schools in the Western region have decided to take up the mandate of living this dream of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah as a son of this land. Some special private schools and public schools alike have decided to set the pace by providing their students with 21st century learning experiences. And also providing a culture and a lifestyle of practical science activities. Journey with me as I take you through how Tech Science Set is.
Hello, please can we give another round of applause to our contestants? We are all welcome back. We are all welcome back. So what happened? Round 3 Science and Technology Challenge. We are all eager, aren't we? Of course. So this is what our contestants were to do. I repeat it. And then I tell you all how you fared. You were to open Microsoft Edge web browser on the laptop that you were given. And then you were to open a tab, a new tab, and search for top news in Ghana today. And then you show the search results and select a headline you find interesting. That carried 2 points. Nana QUAINOO. Nana QUAINOO, you had all the marks. You did well. St. Anne's, you also had the 2 points. Excellent. St. Anne's, I need a lot of cheerfulness in you. Thank you. Good Shepherd, you also were able to do this task. We go to the next task. We go to the next task. You were to open a new tab again and go to a popular educational website and give examples such as BBC Learning, National Geographic Kids, and then you were to bookmark the page so you can quickly access it later. That carries 3 points. 3 points. Okay, so let's see. Nana QUAINOO, you tried. The only challenge is you could not bookmark the web page, so you get 2 out of 3. St. Anne's, you also tried and you also could not bookmark the web page. You also get 2 out of 3. Good Shepherd, RC, JHS, you got all the 3 points. Then the last task, you were to open 3 additional tabs, one for a news website, one for a search engine, one for educational sites, such as Wikipedia. It carried 5 marks. Okay, so Nana QUAINOO did so well. However, you could not open the search engine homepage. So that brings you to 4 points out of 5. St. Anne's, you also did very well, but you could not open the search engine homepage. So you also get 4 out of 5. Good Shepherd, RC, you had all the points. So for our round 3, Nana QUAINOO, you are taking a total of 8 points. St. Anne's, total of 8 points. Good Shepherd, the Good Shepherd is taking care of his flock. You are getting 10 points. So, putting all together, St. Anne's Anglican School, represented by Blessing, beautiful Blessing, and Emmanuel, you have obtained 10 points. You have tried. Okay. Nana QUAINOO Memorial School. You are at 34 points. Good Shepherd, RCJHS, 39 points. Good. Oh wow, Ahoya is sounding. Round 4. Please, are you ready? So this is our last round, and we are again putting up our best, and hopefully we'll see light at the end of the tunnel. Preamble. So this round is a riddles round. The questions will be read out as series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. 6. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth clue or any other indication, 3 points. Good. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer will disqualify you, even if your answer is right. So it will disqualify you from that particular question and your answer nullified. Are we ready? Oh, are we ready? Okay. Excellent. So to test our readiness, let's test our buzzer. Good Shepherd, can we hear your buzzer? Wonderful. Nana QUAINOO. Excellent. St. Anne's. Good. Like I said, don't give up and don't be complacent. Give off your best. Remember, you can get as much as 6 points. Okay, so I'll use my fingers to indicate on which clue we are on. Are we ready? Millicent, are you ready? Good Shepherd. Jeremy, Good Shepherd, ready? Good. Nana QUAINOO, are you ready? Emmanuel, William, excellent. St. Anne's, Blessing, are you ready? Blessing, excellent. Emmanuel, good, we go. Riddle 1. I am a structure in the human body. You can think of me as nature's way of maximizing the digestive. Good Shepherd?
A villi.
That is correct. Thank you. It is the villi. It is the villi. Excellent. We go on to riddle 2. Riddle 2. Riddle 2. Good. I am an electronic component used in various devices. Quantum mechanics plays a crucial role in understanding my behavior. I am known for being energy efficient and long-lasting. I am a semiconductor device that produces light when Good Shepherd.
Light emitting diode.
That is correct. Light emitting diode. Excellent. Wonderful. Riddle 3. Riddle 3. Ready? I am a chemical compound with diverse properties. Though I am acidic, I can release an atom to form a stable conjugate base. You'll find me in a liquid state at room temperature, and I have a transparent appearance. Nana QUAINOO.
Mercury.
I'm sorry, that is wrong. I am a significant component in the sharp taste of vinegar. Good Shepherd?
Acetic acid.
That is correct. It is acetic acid. Thank you. Riddle 4. And ladies and gentlemen, that is our last riddle for today's contest. I am a computer network protocol. I ensure data is sent and received accurately. I use error checking and flow control. I work at the transport layer of the OSI. Nana QUAINOO.
A server.
No, I'm sorry. So I repeat the fourth one since I couldn't. Oh, I did. Okay, so to the last one. My initials are TC. Good Shepherd.
Transmission Control Protocol.
Oh, on that note, on that correct note, we come to the end of an exciting, wonderful contest. This is the Junior Science and Maths Quiz that was brought to you by KNUST. Thank you. We await the results. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the results are here. Wonderful. So at the end of round 4, Nana QUAINOO, my gallant soldiers, Emmanuel and William, were able to get 0 points. St. Anne's Anglican School, Blessing and Emmanuel. The blessings of God and God being with us. St. Anne's, 0. Good Shepherd RCJHS, 14 points. So at the end of the contest, St. Anne's Anglican School had 10 points, Nana QUAINOO Memorial School 34 points, Good Shepherd RCJHS 53 points. Thank you. Thank you for an exciting contest. We meet again. Bye-bye.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under Sciences, Agriculture, Education, Business, Built Environment, Humanities, and Engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNH regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005. The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under